To properly resynchronize Rotary's RLP77 Scissor Lift without bleeding, first turn the power on. Next, open up the valves. At this point, the platforms may jump upward. Now, push the up button on the console until both platforms are at maximum rise. It is normal for one platform to rise before the other during this procedure. With the lift at full rise, lower the platforms to the floor. Lower the lift completely and then immediately close the valves. You've now properly resynchronized a Rotary RLP77 Scissor Lift without bleeding.